Dear students, in the last section we have seen cloud computing reference model. In this section we will see characteristics and benefits of cloud computing. So the first characteristics of cloud computing is no upfront commitment. It does not require any commitment. On demand access, we can access the cloud services according to our need. Nice pricing. These cloud computing services are affordable to all. Simplified application acceleration and scalability. We can scale up as well as scale down our infrastructure. Efficient resource allocation. Resources are allocated efficiently. Energy efficiency. Seamless creation and use of third-party services. So these are the characteristics of cloud computing. Benefits of cloud computing are the most evident benefit from the use of cloud computing system is the increased economical return because of the reduced maintenance cost and operational cost, because the maintenance as well as operational cost is done by the cloud itself. This is mainly because the IT assets, that is software and infrastructure, are turned into utility cost. These costs are converted into utility cost and we are using these services as long as we need. So definitely it reduces the cost. Then it also reduces the capital cost. So what is capital cost? Capital cost are the cost associated with assets that need to be paid in advance to start a business. Okay, but we are using the facilities of the cloud, we are using the applications as well as infrastructure of the cloud, so we does not require the capital cost. Cloud computing transform IT infrastructure and software into utilities. So it significantly contribute to the increasing a company's net gain. Cloud computing also provides an opportunity for small organizations and startups. So this is the main advantage of the cloud computing, is that it provides the opportunity to start up our new business. Then organization can add more service to process workload spikes. Means we can extend or we can scale up our infrastructure if we want to scale up, and if we want to scale down our infrastructure, we can scale down our infrastructure according to our need, according to our business. So scalability is very easy in the cloud computing. Next benefit is end users can benefit from cloud computing by having their data and the capability of operating on it always available from anywhere, anytime, through multiple devices. Means the end user can access the data from anywhere in the world at any time, 24/7. He or she can access the services and through multiple devices. Means this cloud computing services can be accessed through mobile or through computer and laptops. Information and services stored in the cloud are exposed to user by web-based interfaces that make them accessible from portable devices as well as desktops at home. Since the processing capabilities are also provided to the end user, it includes the office automation features. Means we can create our documents, we can create the Google Sheets, we can edit our photo, we can edit our information, save our information. So that is the most beneficial, that we can store our data into the cloud. Then next topic is challenges ahead. Which are the challenges in the cloud computing? So first is dynamic provisioning of cloud computing services and resource arises. For example, if we want the infrastructure as a service, this utility from the cloud computing, then we do not know that how many resources need to be provisioned and how long should they be used. in order to maximize the benefit. So that is the one challenge for the cloud computing. Second is security and privacy. Security in terms of confidentiality, secrecy, and protection of data in the cloud environment. So organizations do not own their infrastructure because they are using the infrastructure of the cloud. So obviously the security should be provided by the cloud. So this condition poses a challenge for confidential data which organization cannot afford to reveal. Then legal issues may also arise. For example, these cloud computing services are used throughout the world, but so different legalization about privacy is different in different countries. Okay. So that is why the legal issues may also arise. Then performance and bandwidth costs. Cloud computing have to be performed very well. The cloud computer services are such that this can be used by all the users. Then reliability and availability. The cloud computing services should be reliable and it should be available 24/7. Okay, so these are the challenges for the cloud computing. Thank you so much.